Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn quick searching from internet through Excel Smart Lookup features. Suppose I want to search USA definition and images from internet. How can we search in Excel? Just select the text first and go to the review. Here you will find the inside. Here is a option Smart Lookup. Just click here. It will search this word from internet and get the result here. You can see here is a images and definition also. You can see here. Now I want to search the definition and images of France. Just select the France and click the Smart Lookup. It will search the result from internet. Now I want to search the keyboard from internet. Just select the keyboard and click the Smart Lookup. It will search from the internet and get the result. You can see here. Now I just select the printer. Now it will search the image and definition of printer. That's why you can get the result from internet in Excel. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.